Hey everybody, this is the final of the Chevy Vega Dirt Track Edition. This is the Rat Trap, I do believe. MPC original kit, brought back out by round 2. This was a fun kit. I guess I still have a little bit to do on it. I still have to do some weathering and washes. But other than that, this thing is done. It's ready to hit the track. And a couple of things I did I liked. I did do all panel lines on it. So on the door, the trunk lid, and the other door, I did panel lines on it. When it came out of the box, they were all just smooth sides. And these would have had panel lines on them. And then I did a fuel neck. So I glued round styrene underneath, cut that opening out, and since I made sure I bonded it real well, it didn't have any seams on it, but I used the X-Acto knife to trim out that opening, and then I put a flexible metal tube in there. Some of the decals are this kit, some are not, like this Chevy. I think that was the flip nose Chevy 57 Chevy that came in, so them are different. It did have white Chevy logos, but I really like those. Blue and orange are complementary colors, so that went together well. I did did it on the hood too. So on this kit, I did wire the motor. So I got the spark plugs, I got the coil on the firewall, I got the fuel filter going up to the carburetor. I'm going to have to put a little bit more weathering on these headers and make them look like they've gotten hot, turn them a little bit browner. Wanted to do some wash on the firewall and on the aluminum plating to highlight the rivets and such, and then also do some washes down here. And I might paint that blue so it looks like a AC Delco oil filter, but you know, it's not a complicated kit. It don't need to be. It's very fun and enjoyable to build this kit. I'm hoping the other 3 in the group are. Went together so well. So in the interior, just painted the seat black, give it a racing or red racing harness. The one thing is if you're going to build this kit, glue the roll cage in first before you glue that seat in, because that seat gave me a hard time, because where it wants to be on all the mounting stuff, the roll bar does not want to let it be there. So just be concerned, be cognizant of that. But I'm not going to say this is a final, because I am going to do some weathering on it. Not going to dirty it up or nothing real bad. But like the radiator needs a black wash. Probably something in the tires a little bit, but like the aluminum, this needs a black wash. But I mean, other than that, the kit is done. It's a nice sturdy kit. Put together real well. So if you guys like it, let me know, and until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye.